Hey guys, it's Charlie and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing my common squishy collection. I've already filmed it, so that's why all the squishies are on the ground. But yeah, let's get into it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments let us know what's your favorite squishy. Anyways, bye guys. Mwah. First we have this bear squishy. Face bun. Mushroom cat. This Redeco Hello Kitty toast. I don't really know what this is. It kind of looks like a seashell, but it's some sort of food. Redeco rainbow bread. Hello Kitty steam bun. Blue Eat Me cookie. Replica Rilakkuma pancake. This green dog. It looks like Clifford. Pink panda toast. Oh, and I dropped it. Pink turtle. Hello Kitty with a cowgirl hat. Field bitten panda bun. This little bear. Pink Winnie the Pooh. Little mushroom. Heart eye emoji bun. Hello Kitty waffle. Gudetama bread loaf. Cat paw. Rainbow panda bun that I put makeup on. Cream puff. Peach. Donut. Replica Swiss roll Rilakkuma. Rainbow cake. Steam bun. Peach. Koala bear. Tooth, I think. Hello Kitty donut. Hello Kitty with sunglasses. Hello Kitty waffle. Minnie Mouse. This cat. A cat holding a bone. Another Minnie Mouse. This panda. This catacorn. I don't know what this is, but there's this one. Mini panda bun. Replica Rilakkuma donut. And last but not least, this heart. It is now time for my licensed squishies.